Hello, welcome to Stuff for Random, Blender tutorial course. Blender is a 3D software, the whole package from modeling to animating, rigging, simulating, compositing, the whole package, and it's completely free, yeah, and open source, which makes it the best choice for beginners. So with this video, I'm just going to get you started from downloading, installation, and we can work from there. So go ahead and just open your browser and type in blender.org. It's running. Yes, and as it says, 2.9 is out, so if your machine is powerful enough, you could download this version, but most of the videos will be on with 2.8 version, though there's not much difference between both, and it wouldn't be much of a bother if you download the 2.9 too. Yes, so go ahead, hit download, and you could come over here to check the devices and device compatibility. Alternatively, you could just type in the Blender version you want. If your device specs is too low, you could just type in the specs you want, Google it, and it will be right available for you. Forgive me if it sounds a little boring, guys. I'm a little sluggish today. Yes, so the versions are here as it's stated over there. Come down. Yes, so like I said, go ahead and download any version you're interested in. Yeah, I have Blender already, so obviously I'm not going to download it again. So just go ahead, download the version you want. The installation is very intuitive. You could go ahead and install it, and then we come here. Yeah, this is to access our full course, so you can get it step-by-step tutorials on it to build you on the way. I'm emphasizing on this again, guys. Do not try to learn randomly with the videos. You have to follow a full course. That's a playlist where it's arranged step by step and would help build you better. So go ahead, type in stuff in random, go to our channel. Yes, and yeah, that's our logo right there. You have to get used to it. But now so go ahead to playlist. Yes, and that is our Blender course right below there, Blender 3D design. And yes, so that will be our means of tutorial, and the videos will be arranged in which order they should be learned to build you up. Trust me, guys, if you're really committed, in less than 3-4 weeks you'll be really comfortable with Blender if you do it as I say. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe and put notification on, set the notification to all so you get updated on each video. Well, or you could just come in every day and check the playlist if there's an update. That works fine. And as I said before, the installation is quite intuitive and straightforward. You're gonna cruise through it, don't worry. So if you have it installed and did it right, this, hold up, yeah, it takes some time depending on the machine. Yeah, and I think because of my internet connection is slowing things down, but you don't actually need internet connection to open Blender or work with Blender. Come on, yes. So this would be your welcome interface. That's how it's going to look like. Yes, so if you see this, then you've installed it successfully and you're ready to kickstart with Blender. So guys, we'll be following through the course, and in the next video we'll be getting to know the interface even better, how to interact with it. Yes, sometimes at first sight this seems too complex and discouraging, but trust me, 3 to 4 weeks guys, we're going to blow up Blender. So guys, don't forget to subscribe and drop a like for this video and comment on how excited you are to get started in the comment section, and I'll see you in the next video.